Hey guys, and welcome to another 6 Math video. As you can see, we are still in Unit 1 called Numerical Expressions and Factors, and today we are doing the 1.1 through 1.3 quiz. As you can see on this first page, would say Study Help. This information frame and all of this stuff, you can do it. It'll help you do better on the test, but I'm not going to show you in this video. So if you want to do it, then go for it. But we're just going to be focusing on this. Also, as you can see, each question is labeled with a section 1.1, 1.2, or 1.3. So if you don't get a question, for example, if you don't get question 13, then you can see that it's from section 1.1. So you can go to my 1.1 video, rewatch it, and then you'll know how to solve it. So let's get started. Our first question is 4, 2, 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 6. We do 5 plus 6, which is 11. 6 plus 9, which is 15. 16, 11, and then 7, 8. So we get 8,161. So that's our answer for our first problem. Our second problem is 5,327 minus 2,624. So 5,327 minus 2,624. So 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 3 minus 6 is not possible, so we borrow. And then we do 13 minus 6, which is 7, and 4 minus 2, which is 2. So we get 2,703. So that's our answer for our second problem. Our third problem is going to be a multiplication problem, and it is 276 times 49. So we do 6 times 54, then we get 63, 68, 18, 24, 0, and then we get 24, 28, 29, 30, and then 8, 9, 10, 11. So then we get 4, let's see here, 12, 5, 3, and 1. And our answer is 13,524. Big answer. And finally, our last problem is going to be a division problem. And our division problem is going to be 648 divided by 72. 72 doesn't go into 6, 4, or 8. So the 74 actually goes into this exactly 9 times. And yes, I am using a calculator. But on the test, you can just start off with you can do 72 times 5 and then 6, 7, 8, 9 until you finally find it. So that's 1.1. If you didn't get any one of those questions, go to my 1.1 video. Now we have our next set, which is find the value of the power. Also, at any point of time, I will do number 5, and you pause the video and do number 6. So number 5 is going to be 3 to the power of 3, which is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So our answer is 27. Now pause the video here to do number 6. Alright, hopefully you've done number 6. It's going to be 11 to the power of 2, which is 11 times 11, which is 121. And yes, I have memorized that, and you should memorize it too. Next, determine whether the number is a perfect square. 36 is a perfect square because 6 times 6 is 36. Now you solve number 8. Okay, hopefully you should have solved number 8. Number 8 is not a perfect square since 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 4 is 16. And so there's no perfect square for 15. Next, you have to evaluate the expression, always using the order of operations. Always use the order of operations. So for our first problem, we do division, which is 21 divided by 7, which is 3, and then 6 plus 3, which is 9. So our first answer is 9. Then for number 10, we do what's in the parentheses. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. Then for number 11, we do the exponent, which is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So then we do 16 divided by 8, which is 2. Then 2 plus 6 is 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6. And for final problem 12, we do what's in the parentheses. We do the exponent, which is 9 minus 2, which is 7. Then we do 14 divided by 7. No, actually, we do 2 times 14, which is 28, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. So those are our answers for that. That kind of took a while. Then I'll do number 13, 14, 15, and 16. So an auditorium has a total of 592 seats. So there's 592 seats. There are 37 rows, and each row is the same number. So basically, it's division. Think of it as a division problem because it's basically the amount of people divided by the amount of rows to find out how many people sit in each row. So it's pretty simple when you look at it. Just a simple division problem. So 37 goes into 59 once. Minus 37, we get 22. And then 222. 37 actually goes into 222 6 times. So then we get 16 for number 13. Then 14, it's pretty easy. What is the area? Well, area is height times width, or length times width. And as you can see clearly, it's 15 times 15, which I've memorized, and it's 225. That one should be a really easy one. Next, we have number 15, duathlon. In an 18-mile duathlon, you run, then ride a bike 12 miles, and then run again. The two runs are the same distance. Find the amount of each run. So the run is 18 miles, and then you run, then you bike. I'm just going to write B. Then you bike 12 miles, and then you run again. So the runs are the same distance. These two runs are the same distance. So if this is 12, we can minus 12 miles from that to get 6. And since both of the runs are equal, we do 6 divided by 2 to get 3. So each run is going to be equal to 3 miles. If you didn't get that question, then you can always look back at my 1.3 video. Lastly, our question is going to be amusement park. Tickets for an amusement park cost $10 for adults and $6 for kids or children. Find the total cost of 2 adults and 3 children. So 2 adults is going to be $20 and 3 children is going to be $18. We add those two values up to get 38. So our answer over there is 38. And if you didn't get that, you can always look back at my 1.3 video. So as you can see, that was just an overview. This is just a practice quiz. This is not what your real quiz will look like. So hopefully now you are prepared for the quiz. Don't forget, if you want to do the study help, you can. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I'm checking that off on our checklist. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get notifications. And I hope you do good on your quiz. Remember all of these units, and remember, if you didn't get any of them, then just look at that video. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the notifications bell.